Lacrosse Soup is a platform for people to get together and make creative ideas come to life.
Your idea does matter, everybody's ideas matter. You're just as important as everybody else.
There's typically 4 pitches that are presented, and whoever gets the most votes gets all the money. And it was a board member's idea to say, how can we make this something that students can get involved in and get really excited about?
We've seen how it can improve in little bits of time. If people put in work, then things can happen.
Logan Middle School was really the first one to bite, and they bit hard. They saw this as a great idea to inspire students to keep identifying problems and doing something about it. Students are identifying within not only their own school, but also within their community and within the lacrosse community in general.
We could bring all of this into our community, and we could really pitch everything in and make our community such a great place. Because yes, it's a nice place, but we can make it 10 times better.